Imagine a weapon so precise, it can strike a moving target from miles away, guided by nothing but a beam of light. Welcome to the world of laser-guided guns, where science fiction meets battlefield reality. How do you steer a projectile with a laser? Today, we're counting down the top 5 laser-guided guns in action, engineering marvels that have changed modern warfare. These weapons use cutting-edge technology to deliver pinpoint accuracy, even in the chaos of battle. Laser guidance isn't science fiction. It's applied physics at work. By harnessing the power of focused light, militaries can direct bombs, missiles, and shells with surgical precision. A laser designator creates a beam that reflects off targets, painting them with invisible energy. This reflected energy forms a unique signature that advanced guidance systems can lock onto, allowing projectiles to home in with incredible accuracy, even through smoke, dust, or darkness. Let's count down 5 engineering marvels that transform this principle into deadly accuracy. Get ready for the top laser-guided guns in action. At number 5, the Paveway series, legendary laser-guided bombs that revolutionized air-to-ground warfare. First introduced during the Vietnam War, Paveway bombs turned ordinary, dumb bombs into precision-guided munitions, dramatically increasing hit rates and reducing collateral damage. The Paveway uses a seeker in its nose to detect laser energy reflected from the target. Once locked on, it adjusts its fins in real time to steer toward the laser spot. In action, Paveway bombs have been used in conflicts from Desert Storm to recent operations, striking tanks, bunkers, and bridges with pinpoint accuracy. Fun fact, the Paveway's modular design allows it to be fitted to a wide range of bomb sizes, making it a versatile tool for air forces worldwide, turning ordinary bombs into guided munitions that can detect laser energy through smoke and dust. Number 4. The AGM-114 Hellfire, a missile synonymous with precision strikes from helicopters and drones. The Hellfire's laser seeker recalculates its course up to 30 times per second, ensuring it stays locked onto moving targets, even if the target tries to evade. Used extensively in anti-tank and anti-personnel roles, Hellfires have been launched from Apache helicopters, Predator drones, and even ground vehicles. In action, Hellfire missiles have played a key role in modern conflicts, delivering rapid, precise strikes with minimal warning. Fun fact, the name Hellfire stands for helicopter-launched, fire and forget, though many variants use semi-active laser guidance, recalculating its course 30 times per second for pinpoint strikes from helicopters and drones. Third place, the Spike missile, an Israeli innovation known for its fire and forget capability and versatility. Spike missiles can be launched from vehicles, helicopters, or even by infantry, and can track targets using both laser and electro-optical guidance. Its advanced seeker allows the missile to follow a laser spot even if the launcher moves, making it highly effective in dynamic combat situations. In action, Spike missiles have been used in numerous conflicts, neutralizing armored threats with remarkable precision. Fun fact, the Spike family includes versions with ranges from 2 to 30 kilometers, making it adaptable for many missions. With its fire and forget capability, tracking laser signatures even when the launcher moves. Runner-up, the APTWS, or Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System, which transforms standard rockets into laser-guided precision weapons. APKWS uses a distributed aperture system, allowing it to detect laser energy from almost any angle, making every rocket a precision instrument. In action, APKWS rockets have been used by helicopters and fixed-wing aircraft to engage targets with minimal collateral damage. Fun fact, APTWS kits can be attached to existing rocket stocks, making them a cost-effective upgrade for militaries worldwide, whose distributed aperture system gathers laser energy from any angle, making every rocket a precision instrument. And our number 1, the Excalibur S, a laser-guided artillery shell that combines GPS and laser targeting for unmatched accuracy. Excalibur S can strike targets over 40 kilometers away, adjusting its trajectory mid-flight to hit moving or relocated targets. Its dual-mode guidance allows it to switch between GPS and laser targeting, making it nearly impossible to evade. In action, Excalibur S has been used to destroy high-value targets with 2-meter accuracy, even in complex environments. Fun fact, Excalibur S is so precise it can be used in close support roles, minimizing risk to friendly forces, combining laser guidance with GPS to hit targets from 40 kilometers away with 2-meter accuracy, engineering that borders on the impossible. Want more cutting-edge tech breakdowns and battlefield innovations? Subscribe to our channel for deep dives, action footage, and the latest in military technology. Hit the bell so you never miss an episode.